you get? That's it. 1 sec. I should be live right now. Am I not live? Whatever. Do you go Rap to Banner? No. So I think we're just gonna get started. Are you live? No, mate. This is all pre-recorded. CS overall. I don't know, man. Like, I'm good at coding. I'm good at programming. I don't really know how to answer the long questions, but I'll be fine. Like, I can yap. I didn't make the deck. No, these are from the internet. This is old, though. I haven't touched Anki in, like, literally a year. It's so old, it's got econ. I should be live, but I'm not. But I am. Kind of. Let me check my YouTube studio. Okay, I am live. Oh, okay, say what'd you get for CS98? 63. Why can I not watch the live? Okay, your channel. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Or the gift. Thank you. I'm doing Anki. Yeah, it's dark. What's good, chewing buttons? Thank you for the rose. Yeah, we're gonna actually do Anki. I'm gonna stop putting off CS. I'll try and do like half an hour of this at least a day until the exam. Okay, so let's get started. What are parallel systems? Parallel systems are where different processes. Fuck. This, okay, wait, what is it? It's where different processes are calculated. No, wait, no. It's not multiple applications. That's parallel processing. Parallel systems are systems that allow for parallel processing, where multiple core. I actually don't know. Fuck. Multiple instructions completed at any given time. Okay. Oh, is it like really zoomed out for you guys? Is that better? Okay, será. Okay. Pass econ. Oh yeah, definitely. Easily pass. I could get like an A. I got them off YouTube, off Google. Okay. So, multiple instructions can be... Okay, let me get out like a notepad or something, and let me hide my screen before I leak my fucking like address that I've written down in notepad. I didn't have anything back up. Okay, cool. Okay, tough. Won't the devil guide your hand for good luck? I don't do this decision or discrete. Okay, screen back on. We're gonna write down a note of everything that I don't know. I think is the method. Okay, that's terrible. Okay, fuck it. Let's just go like this here, and this here, or something like that. I want it to be big enough so the chat can see. Okay, and then we'll put this down in like the corner. Cool. That's good. Yeah, I'm Chinese. Fez. Discreet killing me? Yeah, dark. Okay, so... Fuck it, I may as well just like spam through this. Okay, bam. Role of the network layer. Wait, so you've got application. Okay. So the network layer has... Fuck. It's not the physical, it's not the link layer. It adds, it uses protocols. It adds protocols. It uses protocols like TCP and UDP that are used to transfer the... Fuck. Gives every packet an address. Okay. Add source and destination. Okay, cool. Alright, tough. Operation push value do. Okay, it just adds the value to the top of the stack. Registers are memory locations on the CPU. They're quick to access, and they're used to hold information. Yeah, fine. Thank you for the gift. Internet IP address. Yeah, Fez. Hey, Olo, how you done? With the go ComSci, yeah, real. A lot of this is GCSE. If you're GCSE, you'll probably get a lot of the stuff I say. I know there's a lot of overlap. Parallel system, okay. Multiple instructions can be run at a single time. It can be done using threading. Oh, no, fuck, not threading. Multi-threading. Or multiple cores. Or, what's that one? Parallel thing. Wait. Pipelining. Multiple instructions completed at any given time. Don't require... Okay, can use multi-threading and pipeline. Okay, we're going to do it again on that one. Just so it's in my head. Use your color buttons. What do you mean? Networking, yeah. This is computer science. Fluid mechanics, nice. Bit of Navier-Stokes in that. HTML, hypertext markup language. It's used to give the structure of a website and the information that will be included in it. For example, images, headings, paragraphs, links. Okay, okay, that's real helpful, mate. Yeah, root K, love, yeah. ComSci, I know. Okay, that's easy, like. Acid. Atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. Atomicity is where, fuck, okay, hold up. Atomicity, where transactions are either done or they're not. Isolation, only one transaction happens at a time. Consistency, fuck. It's not gonna even ask me. Yeah, fine. I'll figure it out. 300 cards, I haven't touched this in like a year. Did you watch UCL final? No. Third match Mogs. Come on. I love watching this guy. Thank you, bro. Okay, cool. So that's easy, fine. Parallel systems are systems where multiple instructions are performed at the same time. It can be done using pipelining, or having multiple cores. Great. Okay, good. 3 advantages of the star topology. The star topology is where you have the computers are all connected to one server, if I'm correct. Oh, fuck. Okay. Fuck. It's star versus bus topology. Star topology... Is that where every computer is connected to every computer? No. Easier to add a computer? Wait, what did I just do? Something like that, bro. Topology, by the way. Genuinely getting A in maths. Nice. WM has A for 1. Advanced cheap to add nodes. Is it? Wait, hold up. Is star topology... Is that where... Okay, that's where they... Okay, I was thinking it was mesh. Okay. Mesh and star are different. Okay, cool. They're like the opposite thing. Little bit devilish, by the way. But, okay. What's good, Naxan? How you doing, man? What's up? Okay, they're different things. Cool. So you got bus, ring topology. Okay, fine. 9 weeks holiday? I know, right? A-level's gonna be... After A-level's gonna be beautiful. You're lost? I'm not lost. I got 63 in the NEA. Exam is not next week, but the week after. But this is my worst thing, so I'm going to get on it now. We're going to do at least half an hour every day of computer science. For the exam. Because it's just knowledge. I can answer the questions. It's just knowledge. Okay. So, with star topology, there's no data collisions because it's one-to-one, like one computer to the server. There's only connections between one thing and the other thing. One cable fails. Okay, fine. Data is transmitted faster. Okay. Oh, is Sam in here? Come up as 8 marks, dark. Star topology so free, less wiring. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I was thinking, is this client server or not? What's good, Salmon? We'll put it hard. MDR. What does the MDR do? Oh, fuck. It holds the data of an instruction? No. So when the CPU does a read signal, the instruction is put into the MDR. Stores data that's just been read from. Okay. Temporarily stores data that has just been read from or data that needs to be written. So it's basically where you put data that you're going to transfer or that's been transferred to it. Yeah, I'm good, Simon. I'm good. I'm doing well. I do maths, further maths, computer science. Get my level up. Bro, Samim is an educated individual. I only speak one language though, to be fair. Like, I'm cooked. Okay. You do OCR? Yes. Okay, we'll put this in hard. Packet payload. That's the thing from Overwatch, right, guys? I'm so funny. Homeless combination? Not if you're doing a maths degree at Oxford, though. I thought if you do further maths, you have to do 4A levels. No, not necessarily. Language learning to your... Okay, that's a shout. I do definitely want to learn some more languages. I want to learn... Yeah, some next language. I was thinking Chinese, but I don't think Chinese. I don't know. I tried learning it. Learn Hebrew. I tried learning it. And all I know is that tofu is dofu or something like that. No, because Chinese is like the... Because they're really good in trade, right? So that'd be good for like being able to communicate with more of the world. Yeah, you don't have to do 4A levels if you do further maths necessarily. But I did 4A levels until I got my offer. Physics. Fairs. What A level to pick apart from maths and further maths if I'm lazy and hate memorizing content? Fuck, there isn't really one that's for lazy people. Like, let me think. Not physics, not bio, not chem, not comp sci. Comp sci isn't that bad. Like, you'll just need to memorize a bunch of shit, but you can do it in 2 years if you actually put a little bit of effort. Yeah, definitely, Samuel. I get what you're saying. What's his name? Wait, casually. You are dreaming, Ibby. You are dreaming. This is not real. I'm definitely not actually revising. One sec. I'm not revising comp sci, don't worry. You're just imagining, guys. Where is it? Ooh. What do you might know about this? Ooh. So to English, ooh. See, look. Like we're saying right now, if we're being real, yo, Mandarin is the same as assembly. So I can barely speak assembly. So learning Mandarin is going to be a headache. You see that? This would be a headache. So, I don't know. I can already speak some assembly, but I'm thinking... I don't know. One of them ones. Oh, fair. Do further mastering on gap year? Yes, is that I would recommend it. Why drop econ? I didn't need it. Opinions on doing further mastering on gap year? Yeah, it'll keep you busy. And it looks good. Predicted rates actually matter. I didn't get predicted C's and D's, Karim. I got a D in further maths because we got a full A-level further maths paper. I got an A in maths, an A in econ, a B in comp sci, a D in further maths. But if I would have sat AS further maths, I would have definitely gotten an A at that time. It's 100% an A. It's just because they didn't teach us the stuff. I was predicted 4A stars. Being predicted like very good predictors is very important. LDA 1 type shit. Yes, they definitely do matter. Predicted grades do matter. They are required pretty much. Okay, payload packet. Packet payload. So it has obviously the link, you know, the application. No, what do you call it? Application, internet, link. Here's another one. Application, internet, transport, link layer. But that's not it. We have the data, the address. I don't even know. The raw data. Okay, fine. End of years, nice. What exam board? OCR. CS is easier than econ in my opinion. Role of network layer. It gives destination and source IP addresses to the packets. Yeah, great. Oh, I clicked again. 3A stars or 2 and 1A. Yeah, good luck. If you get 8 in maths, is there a difference between 8 and 9? I don't know. I got a 9. Is comp sci A level or B tech? Don't you ever say that ever a fucking again, Reza. I will find you. Don't ever ask that question. Can we not ask silly questions in the live, please? Is comp sci A level or a B tech? We're just saying stuff. It's a T level, by the way. Plus actually doing CS, yeah, something like that. Transaction. Oh fuck, I don't know what it's defined as. It's like a change in a database. I don't know how to define it. A change in a database. An exchange in a database. Something like that. A single operation executed on data. Okay. Single. Fuck. I'm gonna need that again. Lower cortisol, please. Yeah, sure. Yeah, it doesn't. I mean, it does matter. Like having 9s look good, but it's not the end of the world. Yeah, Root K, you're kind of right, but that's because business BTech is like your whole life. Okay, a packet payload contains the raw data of the packet. This feels like a really shit deck. I'm not gonna lie. I like your dreads. You're welcome, ladies. You're welcome. Okay. What of the network layer? It adds a destination and a source IP to the packet. 3 advantages of the star topology. Okay, firstly, it's easier to add a node. There's no data collisions. If one node fails, then the whole system won't fail. And it's faster transfer of data. Cool. Easy compared to what? Is this GCSE? I know, right? Should I go for CS and cybersecurity? No, you shouldn't. If you want to get employed, no. You left your window open? Yeah. What A levels you? Maths, further maths, comp sci. CISC instructions. I mean, they're built into the CPU, but I don't think that'll be... Okay, firstly, CISC stands for Complex Instruction Set Computer. Computing? CPU? Complex Instruction Set Computer. Computer, okay. Remember to use code Zaki20. Oh, yeah, guys. Guys. Yes, I love using code Zaki20 on STEMUp. I definitely didn't get these off Google. Just pass all law school exams. Good job, man. Good job. Is Python hard? Nah, not really. It's like just structured English. Adam's sidekick is here. Isn't CS a C-Tech? It is, yeah, it's a C-Tech. What's good, Camille? They're built into the CPU. One of the registered ROM of the CPU? I don't know. Hardware? Okay, what the fuck is that question? What the fuck is that question? Because there's no planet in which I get asked where are CISC instructions built into, and I respond with hardware. Pass my pregnancy test because you got tutorial bits. I love this guy. How much for revising CS? What grade do you need? I've not been revising like at all recently. I'm pretty good in class. Like I've been averaging like high A's to A stars. I got an A star in my coursework, 63 out of 70. And I need an A for Oxford. Do a past paper? Nah, I'm just focusing on content right now. We might do a past paper tonight. Send me a cute snap. Okay, one sec, guys. I need to send Zaki a cute snap. You have my permission to screenshot this and post it in your story, by the way. Just if I'm your cutie pie like that. No, wait, hold on. We gotta look cute. We gotta look cute. Wait, hold on. I gotta put like a filter. One sec. Let me put the dog filter. Ah, dude swings left. Is Zaki does maths? Yo, it's Zaki, bro. Obviously I do, bro. If it's Zaki, then I do. Do not send that to... Oh, no, we will not be sending that there. Zaki. Tough. And I also got to send my streak, to be fair. Let's just send TS as a streak. I'm crying. He's so cute. That is my streak right there, buddy. Streak. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 87 out of 91. Good job, bro. Literally straight to 9 fairs. Hey, a 9's a 9, bro. Look at OCR papers and sunshine. Yeah, I know, right? But we do have a really, like, tricky NEA. Alright. See you, bro. Love you too. Yeah, dark. Yeah, W abs, bro. Okay, who's just texted me? That was my boy. Okay, cool. Lock in. Physics tomorrow, good luck. 63 in NEA out of 70, guys. For context, by the way, Abs is a Harvard professor. Transaction is defined as a single operation on a piece of data. Oh, executed on data? We'll put it 6. What does the MDR mean? Do? It stores data? No. It stores data that is going to be transferred? No. Okay, it stores data that is going to be moved or that has just been moved from RAM. Just been bit shit. Parallel systems. Parallel systems are systems that can perform multiple instructions at the same time. It doesn't need multiple cores. It can be done with... What's the other one? Fuck. My brain. It can be done with parallel pipette. No, fuck. Parallel... No. Eugenics? Why did that word pop into my head? Fortnite? No, fuck. CPU multi-threading? No, not threading. Take off the headphones, let me think. Pipelining, that's it. That's it. That's why I was thinking parallel pipette. Cool. Bro, words just pop into my head sometimes, okay? I have a lot of information in my head. For your Oxford personal statement, did you focus on one aspect of maths? No, I just talked about all the stuff I did and why I enjoyed it and how I reflected on it. MDR holds the data that's been... Yeah, there's... It's the same gradient as Y, something like that. Is this OGR spec? Yes. What's good, Yasin? How you doing? Okay. 3 disadvantages of extreme programming methodologies. Fuck, I barely know one advantage, mate. Okay. Oh, God. Not many prototypes? Because it's all about having, like... No, this isn't the one that's all about... I'm cooked, wait. This isn't... Okay, extreme programming is not the one where they need, like, insanely good... what do you call it? They want high-quality code, but that's not a downside. Is it... Okay, let me think. One downside is increased costs? Maybe? Wait, what the fuck? Okay. Increased costs. Less ability to make changes during development. High cost. Okay, Fez. Teamwork is essential, okay. End user must be present. Okay, Fez. Can you do a backflip or a handstand? No, I can do a cartwheel, but I won't do it on stream. I'm doing Anki. How do you make it fun? By doing it on stream with 38 people asking you questions. Genuinely, that's making it so much easier. What's your Oxford offer? A star, A for maths. What's good, Molik? How you doing? Is that Anki? Yes. Okay, so it's high cost just to 2 people. Okay, fine. High cost, fine. Teamwork and good communication is essential. End user must be present. End user must be present. Trampolining is definitely a sport. You're leaving then? Why are you leaving? What are you talking about? How would I respond to what you said? What's your Imperial offer? A star, A. Same offer. Okay, we're going to do that again. 3 advantages of the star topology. Faster for data to transfer. Yeah, faster data transfer. Easy to add a node. No data collisions. If one node fails, then the whole system doesn't fail. Great, easy. Is empty. It confirms if the head pointer is at the bottom of the stack. Wait, is empty? There's no way this is on spec. You don't use is empty on a stack. Use is full. That's... Okay. That's weird. Is 51 out of 70 bad for NEA? It's not the best, but it's comebackable. It's not... You're not dead. How to go from B to A star in further maths? Practice. Just do every paper that exists. I'm getting a lot of text. Oh, damn. Should I accept my offer to Imperial? No, mate. Reject them and go Queen Mary. The best uni known to man. How to go from B to A star? Yeah, cool. Okay. Multi-level feedback queues for scheduling. Disadvantage? Okay. Low priority tasks won't be done. Priority needs to be known. What else? Yeah, I think it's just, you need to know the priority. Hard to implement. Yeah, fuck off. That's BS. Queen Mary's a good uni depending on the course you do there. If you do, like, a very good course there. Okay, firstly, Queen Mary is not highly ranked in everything, but they are very highly ranked in medicine. In medicine, I know of people, right? You know, some people will get, like, Cambridge or Oxford and they'll still take Queen Mary because Queen Mary has such good integration into Bart's Hospital, which is next to it. Oxford is Oxford, not London. Yeah, I mean, Raider, it's fine. I would figure out what it meant on the spot. Like, if it said is empty on a stack, that's pretty clear, right? Oh, fuck off. 3 disadvantages of extreme programming methodology. So, it has increased cost because multiple people are working on it. It requires that the end user is also there to give feedback and requires good teamwork. So it depends. Like, accounting and finance at Queen Mary probably won't be the best, but it's better than doing it somewhere else. Just look at university rankings for the subject that you want to do. Okay, good. Transaction is a single operation on a piece of data. Fuck it, I don't care. Payload packet, the raw data. DNS, the domain name server or system. Oh. Why is business always hated? Because when will you ever need a business degree? Like, okay, you get a business degree so you can run a business. But you didn't need the business degree. You can still run a business without doing a business degree. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, there's no point of doing the degree. You're basically just learning a bunch of knowledge that you could learn on the job. Or on the sort of, you get what I'm saying? There's no point of doing it. It doesn't really unlock any jobs apart from jobs where any other degree would work. You don't get any skills from it either. Like, everything you learn, it's sort of soft skills that you get from it, you know? Server-side processing. What do I even say? It's just where the processing happens on the server. Code is run on the web server. Okay. Client sends information to a server for processing. Cool. MDR. It holds data that is... Hi, Katya. How you doing? It holds data that is about to be sent to RAM or has just been sent to RAM. Okay. Temporarily stores data that has just been read from or data that needs to be written. Cool. Yeah, how you doing though? Would you reckon it's a good uni for econ but like easy to get into? Econ is such a competitive degree and I don't know what good is to you. Right? I would say Queen Mary is a midpoint uni for econ. It's not bad. I'm doing well. You're revising. Like, yeah, Queen Mary's good. I know UCL econ's really competitive. I don't know. It depends, like, if you have to be a really, like, mathsy guy to get into top econ unis, you know? What is the MD? Oh, yeah, cool, fine. I'm on the live instead. Oh, yeah, Fez. You could, you can just, like, have the live on one screen and then the revision on the other one. Why you choose maths? You know what it was, right? I realised... Right, because I would watch all these YouTube videos, right? And by the way, I know I'm like barely revising. I'm revising and chatting to chat because it's fun. I've realized, like, I was watching like R2-Drutu and stuff. Not R2-Drutu, 3 Blue 1 Brown and that sort of stuff. And I would look at all the videos and be like, oh my god, that's so cool. I can't wait until I get to learn that. And then at some point I realized, oh shit, I'm not going to be able to learn that. And then I realized I can learn it. So... It was basically, I realised that I wouldn't be able to keep doing maths unless I did maths. So I decided to do maths. Should I accept Cambridge or Oxford? Accept neither. Go to Queen Mary or Hustlers University. A-level further maths and maths, 70 out of 100 in IGCSE normal maths, help. Why are you practicing IGCSE if you're doing A-level? It's fine, they're different ball games. DNS is the domain name server. So the domain name server converts the web address into an IP address, like an IPv4 or IPv6. So it would convert like gmail.com to 1.192.168.1.1 or whatever. Okay. I'm going to need to go and help my mother with the shopping. I'll be right back, chat. Sorry. How we doing, chat? I'm back. I told my mum bring the shopping in. Had to sprint, bro. Are you still talking to Professor? Yeah. That is my end goal. Sorry, somebody said Anki and TikTok Live's a juxtaposition. I think I ignored it when he said that. I disagree. I think conversating about what you're learning about makes you better at learning. I guess it's harder, but like, what should I do to get good grades in A-level maths? Use Bison Maths to learn all the content. Harvard is cooling, hold on. Nah, it's Oxford, bro. We don't chat to Harvard. It's Oxford. Oxford Brookes. Cambridge. Oh, no, they're not there anymore. They fell off. Imperial. They weren't there. Okay, Oxford. Yep. Queen Mary. Yes. Oh, there we go. Specification difference. I think International A-level, further Pure 1, which is like the core Pure 1, has some stuff from A-level. But if you learn all of A-level maths and further maths, you're pretty there. And then you just need to learn some like further Pure stuff. Okay, cool. Easy, fine. Server-side processing. It's where data, or information, let's say data, is sent from the client to the server to be processed. Cool. What does the MDR do? It holds... Fuck, wait. Holds data that is about to be sent or has been sent. Written. Read from or written. Read from or written. Read from or written. It's been read from or it's been written. Data that is about to be read. Be read from? That's just a wording issue, right? My stuff makes sense. I didn't do GCSE, bro. I don't have the GCSE to A levels. The fuck is that? Oh, this is SSD, solid state drive. Flash? Yeah. Wait, is SSD flash? It is, right? Yeah, they are. Okay, cool. Really? So annoying. Is anybody watching on the... No, actually, we'll add that. Nice. Alright, tough. Further first. Yeah, it cut off my thing. What happened now? It just cuts off. I don't know. Boogie bomb or impulse grenade? This is a question that has been asked by philosophers massively. The answer, it's boogie bomb. I'm sorry to tell you. Now, I feel like the impulse grenade has a lot of ability to be fun. You know, you can do a lot with it. But, let's be honest, right? That boogie bomb's just too fun. How many exams do you have left? I have 7 exams. Can you help me with a hard maths question? No, I'm not doing maths right now. Should I straight away learn the maths and further maths content for A level? Finish your GCSE stuff, Amar. Certain maths still have like 9 yeah, I think that's people who are doing sciences mainly, or 4 A levels. Okay, cool. Directed graph. It's just a graph data structure that is directional. Yeah, fine. Like, can only be, yeah, fine. MICR. Have I lost it? I've lost it, right? MICR. What the fuck is that? MICR. How much is... Oh, fuck. Wallahi, this is not sponsored. They don't even have they don't even have computer science, bro. It's over. Ah. MICR. I've never heard of this in my life. First time on Tuesday, it's not looking good. Good luck, Connor. When are you finished your school? When I'm assuming that's what you asked. I'm finished on the 19th. Physics tomorrow. Good luck. I'm just gonna put that as easy. Okay, this. Not A or B. Okay. B and not A or B. What? Not B and... It's not just not A? What? Is that like the Morgan's Law? I would have written that out on a truth table. It's fine, but like... Well, no, there's some like Boolean stuff that you've got to simplify. What is a stack? It's a data structure where data is added to the top and taken away from the top. Popped and pushed. Yeah, fine. RISC. Reduced instruction set computer. XOR mask. It would be 1110 1110 1110 yeah, fine. 3 disadvantages of the bus topology. Data collisions happen a lot. The backbone costs money. If one thing fails, then the whole thing fails. All computer... Okay, cool. Bro, why are we just spamming keywords, Winnovate, mate? Chill out. Some guys. Cool. These flashcards are banned. Bro, I checked STEM up. They don't even have them for computer science. I was actually going to buy it on stream, performatively, and be like, yo, guys, by the way, my friend Zaki has a code. But they don't even have it. Okay. Love you too, Pookie. Try find one on Quizlet. Nah. I'm not really a Quizlet guy. Do Uplearn? They don't have it for computer science, and I wouldn't take it. When's your comp sci? Not this week, the week after. So in 2 weeks on Wednesday. Whoa, 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 now. Ah, Monkey Lamal's in here. My boy Abdi, he's going to be like, Adam, what are the 5 stages of compilation? And I forgot them, okay. You done all papers? No. Nearly. Probably, actually. My teacher just takes a bunch of random questions. What other subjects? I do maths, further maths, and computer science, pickle jar. I used to do econ, but I dropped it. Uplearn is great for econ. Yeah, Abdi, I'm gonna find you, mate. I'm gonna find you. I should have just ended you when we were together in Cambridge. What law is this? Is this like the double negation law or something? Oh, is this the one where you flip it? So it's like not A and not B and not B. No. Not maybe? You expand and use the Morgans. Do you expand? Wait, how do you expand again? Distribution? No, you need to, yeah, expansion thing. I know there's only 4. I know there's only 4. Yeah, flip the sign and then add knots to both of them. Cool. Not B and not A, or not B and B. And B? What? Fuck. What are you saying about Arsenal versus PSG? I don't care. Website, Ada Computer Science. This is great. It's free to use, etc. Ada Computer Science. This has like all the information I use for computer science. Okay. Variables. I don't know what the fuck that means. Okay, fine. Basic Boolean. Okay, so this is just like, yeah, normal shit. Fine, yeah. This is like all pretty obvious. Double negation. Fine. Best notes on comp sci? I would say adacomputerscience.org. Unless somebody else pays me to say it's them. I'm joking. What do you get in GCSE for computing? I didn't do it. Yeah. I just went straight into A-level. Is the GOAT revision bum ECS? Yeah, we were revising bum ECS. I didn't do GCSE computing. Oh, so you have trace tables? Yeah. I don't know about like AQA, but yeah, it does. Okay, commutative law. Okay, fine. That's obvious. Yeah, fine. Associative law. Okay, so if the operators are the same, that's so obvious. Yeah, fine. Absorption law. Absorption law? What the fuck is this? It's very similar to computing GCSE, yeah, probably. Computer science is a scam of a GCSE, yeah. Same with A-level. Why take CS then? Because I wanted to learn how to code. That's basically it. I just wanted to learn how to code in a structured environment, and I realized, yo, if I'm doing A-levels, I may as well do the one that lets me learn to code, because coding's cool. And I get to make a game for an A-level. That sounds fucking fun. Do you man want to see my game, by the way? Real quick. I know we're not revising when I do this, but... Oh, beautiful. I know it's uncomfortably loud, but that's kind of how the game's supposed to be. I forgot to program a volume slider. Wow. Yeah, I learned how to code. I learned Python in like 3 days. But I programmed this in Lua. My ears. I apologize to anybody using headphones. Because I am one of those people. Wait. Let me dial in. Yo, oh, we fucking... Yo, the guy who made this game is actually tapped. Yeah, square root of 1 minus cos squared out, bro. So exactly reference there. Wait. Fuck. Did you go further last or no? Did you use AI? No. Genuinely no. Are we fucking serious? Like, okay, hold on. Let me just play an easy fucking level. How many levels? There's 3 levels. Supposedly, the last level is supposed to be locked, but I'm pretty sure I might be on a... Yeah, I'm on a dev copy, so it's all unlocked. Okay, let me just turn it down real quick. That should be a bearable level of noise. We're gonna just do a quick completion of my game real quick. I speedrun this game in like 3 days. This is basically Terraria. I feel like this is the furthest thing from Terraria, but I haven't played it, so I wouldn't know. This is basically Super Meat Boy. Is the music non-copyright? I said it was. Well, Mark, you got a 63. Oh, fuck. No! Okay, like, what revision website should you recommend? Bison Maths for maths. Add a computer science for comp sci. And Bison Maths for further maths. For econ, I'd recommend Uplearn. Personally, but that's just because I was given it for free. I wouldn't know if I'd pay for it. Did it make a game fairs? Most important part of your NEA is the write-up, basically. TS looks hard. It's really hard. It's like an impossible kind of game. It's not supposed to be easy. Like, I genuinely made the game so that I would have fun testing it. And I have a lot of Mario Maker experience too. So, like, I'm good at playing hard platformer games. Did you get any in year 12 and 13? I did a little bit in year 12. Like, I got a little bit of experience, but it was basically purely year 13. No! This is my NEA chat. Maths further maths physics, yes, yeah. Pretty common combo. NEA 63 out of 70. Fuck. Okay, lock in, chat. I got 55, is it good? Yeah, solid. You can still get like an A star off that if you do well in the exams. Fuck, stay away from me. Stay away from... This is the game I made for CS, guys. I got 63 in the NEA. Okay, we're doing CS revision and we're going to play my CS game. You said, son, what is this? Because you liked it so much, right? That's why, right? You didn't say because it was a bad game or like a bum-ass game, right? What further maths modules you do? I'm currently doing maths. Further Mech 1, further Pure 1. Fuck me. Yo! Okay, wait. Pause the music. Lock in. Fuck! Oh, wait, we're locked in. Oh yeah, baby! Oh my god, I'm tough with it. Ignore the fact that you can't read the text. One of my friends told me to bug fix it, and I was like, I can't be asked. Beautiful. How do I play this? Well, show FPS. Do I not have FPS on? Oh yeah, FPS counter, guys. Oh, you can't even see it on screen. Let me move my face cam. There you go. You can see it now. Oh my beauty. Beautiful. Sell the game? Yeah, love, bro. Okay. Tough. Yeah, this is my NEA. I will probably make another game for fun. Over the holiday. What societies are you planning on joining? As many as I can. I want to join the Trampolining Society. I want to join some kind of musical thing. I want to get good at drumming. I want to do... What else? Trampolining Society. Music sort of thing. I want to do, like... I want to make a rhythm game society. For, like, Osu and Geometry Dash and Dance Dance Revolution and Beat Saber and stuff like that. Or just add it as a part of the gaming society somehow. What else? I also want to have Oxford be one of the universities in the Osu University Cup. Yeah. I want to join the Overwatch team as well. It's going to be beautiful. What else? Some more BS. Really, whatever. Like, I'm going to sign up to everything, you know? That's sort of my mindset. Bye, Nan. See you. Do Oxford spelling bee. Love, bro. To be fair, they'll probably use an Oxford dictionary. Hashtag cute. W, Zaki. Okay. Oh, it's just a truth table. Fine. But how does absorption... Wait, what? Okay. X or X and Y. Oh, this is easy. Fine. That's obvious. Distributive law. Okay, fine. Yeah. Yeah, cool. How hard do you think CS is compared to other A levels? The actual content is way easier. But there's just so much. It's weird because CS, like, you either get it or you don't with questions. Like, with further maths or maths, you can sort of work towards it, try a little alternative method. But the mark schemes for CS just suck. De Morgan's law. Okay. Augustus De Morgan. Love, bro. Yeah, so you take the negative and you flip it. Cool. So from this, we should get not A or not B. And then we have not B. No, sorry. Not A and not B. So we should have not B and not A and not B. Which will be not... Yeah, fine. Okay, cool. I get that now. Great. Does my drum kit work? Is it all, like, hooked up? I think it is, right? Dark. Oh, yeah, I woke somebody up. Okay, 3 advantages of the disadvantages of the bus topology. Thank you for the follow. Okay. Backbone. If the backbone is disconnected or breaks, the whole system fails. All computers are able to read all of the information. It's that third one. Wait. Data collisions. This is a weird one. Is that because of data collisions? Come on. Where are those flashcards from? I literally went on Google and I searched computer science OCR A-level flashcards and it showed up. And I'm using Anki. Why is bro streaming revision? Because it's more fun than revising. What is server-side processing? It's where data is sent from the system, from the client to the server to be processed. Oh, beautiful. HTML, it dictates the structure and the... Oh, structure's not really liked. It dictates the content, for example, images or pictures that will be on a web page. Okay, come on, bro. Like, what does that even fucking mean? How much is the drum kit? My nan got it for me as a GCSE completion present. She got it for like 70. I don't know how. I don't know how. It's completely electric. I can play Clone Hero on it. Just count. Yeah, it's double revision, Ryan. What is CSS? What does CSS stand for? Fuck. Computing, combined, custom, color, server, computer, web. No, not web. Web. Fuck. Cascading style sheets. Astaghfirullah. Hardest A level? Further maths. Do you think CS is self-learnable? Yeah. Yeah. If you have the right resources, then yeah. Okay. Use it. Yeah, fine. Bus grants. Oh, this is a CPU. This is a signal that's sent from a control unit. How do I write GCSE science? Just look on YouTube. Is maths easiest? Yeah, definitely. Maths. Okay, in terms of difficulty, like my ability at it, I would say... Ah, fuck. You know what it is, right? Was your CS teacher good? No, he was a great guy. Very attentive and on the ball and very locked in and very, very passionate about his subject. And he gave me lots of advice when I asked for it. NEA's CS content's like, yeah, exactly. Actually, I found the NEA to be pretty good, but I just spent like 3 months of fully working on it. Exam board OCR. Hey Dom, I would do heart eyes if I could, but I don't know how I'd do that. What's that? That looks like a gang sign. I'm gonna get stabbed. Okay. Bus grant. Okay, so it says it's basically the data bus, the address bus, or the control bus saying that data is allowed to be put through it, which I don't know what that even... The CPU has... Okay, to the data bus particularly? No, that's not correct. Yeah. Incompatible. Hold up. Okay, apparently not. Gonna try and master all of A-level further maths and maths over the summer after GCSEs. Wish me luck. Adams, I'm gonna tell you what. I'll be so real with you. Just fucking have fun. You don't need to work over the summer holiday in year 11. Year 12 for summer, you should be working heavily. No, my exams are not over. If my exams were over, I would not be doing computer science by choice. I will be doing maths by choice, though. Sunyans. Love, man. Hi, Math Oculate. How you doing? Spando Bullet. You know, genuinely, yo, to hype myself up before doing the MAT, the Oxford entrance test, I listened to this song. I woke up in the morning, not tears, but like, it was very emotional when I was doing the entrance test. And it was like, gold, gold, da, 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 da. And I was thinking like, I'm gonna fucking do this, I'm goated. Did you see Shadow's post? Which one? When I got Oxbridge, I need to... Again, I would take year 11 summer off. You watch Bleach? No. How hard was Matt? I only got 58%, which is good, but it's not the best. Yeah. Do you ever revise the mark scheme? I read over the mark scheme and see what I did differently, but it's always really inconsistent. How many tests can you take for Oxford? It's always one. It will never be multiple. But they changed the test, so I need to take one for Oxford and one for Imperial Warwick, but the next generation will have to take one for both. About the table tennis question. Table tennis question? Okay, Fez. Okay, interesting. I'll look into it. I'll look at Shadow's account. Year 13 summer? Yeah, bro. We're getting so... Genuinely, I'm going to spend year 13 summer learning more modules, but... That's just me. Are you still trying to become a professor? Yeah, mate. It hasn't changed in the last 20 minutes. How much harder is further maths than maths? It's just more content. I actually find further maths exams easier than maths exams. Because it's less bullshit. 2 arguments in favour of surveillance systems. Oh, fuck me. If people are... I don't know how to say this in the... Okay. If people are doing good things, then they will not be... People who aren't criminals will not be punished. The government needs to prevent crime. I don't know what I even say here. Trace and punish. What the fuck? Okay, that's pretty much what I said. Useful for social security purposes and detecting crime. Needed to trace and punish criminal activity. Okay. Next Tom Rocks Maths? I hope so. I actually have seen him in real life. I went to one of his lectures, a UCL lecture he did, a guest lecture. And there was like 20 people. No other sixth form students there as far as I know. I have a picture of it. It's really cool. Are you going to go to the Oxford libraries? Yes. Particularly my one. What kind of question is that? Oh, I don't know. It's just a memory test or like a checking question, you know? Yeah. Nice. Sorry. Have fun. Cool. How was your NEA for CS? It was really good. It took me forever. I didn't have much guidance, but overall it went well. What's good, Devil Grin? How you doing, man? We're doing computer science today. Yeah, exactly, Bapocalypse. Exactly. Hardest topic for CS? There's not really a hardest topic. Maybe legal and ethical problems, you could argue. But, it's hard to say. Okay, we'll do hard. Boolean. Static and dynamic linkers. Oh, fuck me. Okay, so we have... So, firstly... Okay. A linker is used to bundle the information from the thing to the other thing. CS paper 2 is kind of long. I prefer paper 2 to paper 1, absolutely. I will tell you that much. Ines, yes. Fez. Lucky you, man. Ask questions about maths if you want to, Double Grin. But if not, it's fine. Don't feel forced to stick around. Yeah. Collinear. What does collinear mean? That it was on the formula booklet, right? Okay. Oh, so they basically lie on the same line. Okay, cool. That makes sense. So they're like on the same line. They're not parallel, like they're parallel and they have a shared point. Something like that. Thank you, Hyperion. What do you want to do in uni? I have an offer to do maths at Oxford. Okay, static linker is where all of the information from the library is put into the exe file. Dynamic linker is where it's stored in a separate folder or something like that. Oh, fuck off. I actually kind of got it. Maths degree or CS degree? Adams, I will tell you definitely maths degree is more employable. Secondly, I'll tell you that it's more about the uni you go to rather than the course you do. Third, do what you want. Just do what you enjoy more. I would recommend maths, though. JMC at Imperial, Cambridge, Oxford is great. Did you know you were going to get into Oxford after integral? Interview? No, I thought I wouldn't. Is quant future-proof? Nothing's future-proof, but having a good degree from a good university is always good. Are they imported? Yeah. Can you sneak me into Oxford with you? Yeah, sure, mate. If you guys pull up to my college, you can eat lunch with me, I guess. I have an offer to do maths at Oxford. Nerd emoji. Yeah. So? What, if you had an Oxford offer, you wouldn't tell people? Yeah, Fez. I mean, Adams, you can just do JMC if you want. You can do joint maths and computing, and then switch to the one you prefer if you really want. Doctor is future-proof? Yeah. But also, you don't really make that much. Especially in the UK. Where'd you get them from? Just go on Google and search. It's literally not that hard. Wait. OCR A-level computer science Anki flashcards. I think it was literally this one. Download, and then you can open it with Anki installed on your computer. It's that easy. It would be way too competitive, but so would maths or computer science. It's all competitive. So do what you enjoy. What's your typing speed? I don't know. Oh, fuck it. We're going to go on monkey type. Yo, what? Yeah, dark. Dark. Yeah, love. Refresh. Give head. Okay, dark. I have a very sensitive keyboard. Yeah. Well, AI will take over job. Maths degree is useless. Yeah, but AI will take every job anyway. Like, maths degree at least shows that you're good at problem solving, right? Exactly, Adams. When'd you start Anki? Today. Hurry up, uncle. Okay, do I really, like, just lock in and do this? Fuck. Okay, hold up. No, not the same one. That's cheating. The thing is, my problem is not with actually, my problem is not with reading, like, doing it. It's just about actually, like, reading it and keeping up with reading it, you know? Okay. Yeah, dark. Why do what somebody asked? 30 seconds too long? Yeah, it's more realistic though. Anything but CS revision, real. Do you reckon they'll bless us? No. Quincy, somebody asked me what my type speed is. See you in Oxford? Yeah, see you in Oxford, bro. Have you rushed regular maths? I did a little bit, but I don't need to. Okay, so static linkers. Library code is copied into the file. Okay, file size increases, fine. Address it for dynamic linkers. Addresses of libraries are included within the file. External updates are automatically fed through. Okay. What tests do you have this week? I have maths and then further maths. So maths on Friday, further mechanics on Friday. No, maths on Wednesday, further mechanics on Friday. I haven't finished A levels. Will you get near marks, full marks for regular maths? I'll probably fuck up something. I don't think so. We'll see though. 2 arguments in favor of surveillance systems. Flip. I'll probably get like 280 for A level maths. I genuinely think there is a possibility that my further maths mark will be higher. Crime. Thank you. Yeah, so the government needs to stop crimes. A. B. Oh, fuck it. I don't remember. Social security purposes and detecting crime. Okay. Fuck that. How do you write external CSS? Using a linker? No, there's a fucking thing. It's like import style, right? Oh, yeah, obviously. Adjacency the fuck is this? GCSE IT? Yeah, I know, right? A-level CS looks so light? It is. Are you actually going to Oxford? Yes. No, well, I'm not going to Oxford right now. I'm going Oxford in October, assuming I get A-star maths, A-star further maths, A in comp sci. But I do have an offer, and I do plan on going. So yeah. Wait, my mic's working, right? Yeah. How long's your course? 4 years, but I will try and extend it with a PhD. You hate computer science? Yes. Jesse, on account of somebody. I'm not going to say who, but we know who. See you at Oxford, type shit. Backup choice? Bath. Ripper. Oh, what? The Regulation of Investigatory Powers Act. Okay, let's think. Copyright Design and Patent. No, fuck, wait. Copyright and Patents Act. No, wait, okay. The Copyright Design and Patents Act, the Regulation of Investigatory Powers Act, Data Protection Act. Oh no, is it law? Okay, Data Protection Act, Regulation of Investigatory Powers Act, Copyright Design and Patents Act, and there's one more. It's not about data protection. It's not about the Computer Misuse Act. Alright, tough. Is that correct? Bath is so dead, why not Imperial? Because Imperial and Imperial and Oxford have the same offer requirements. It was A-star, A-star, A for both. Bath, I have a really good contextual offer, and it's A-star, A-B. So if I fuck up maths, or further maths, or comp sci, basically I can fuck up both further maths and comp sci and still get in. If the subject ain't maths or further maths, it's genuinely buns. Real. How much does an Oxbridge professor actually make? I don't even know. But the amount of opportunities that you get from it by being able to, A, lecture at other places, B, do talks, C, I would imagine that your tuition would be worth way more if you tutored. The fun of actually doing it, I don't know. Are you naturally good at maths? Yeah. Legal and ethical is straight waffle? True. Pop. Personal statement, like, it was good. I talked about a bunch of stuff I did. When I did something, I would read on it, and I would talk about me reading on it. Why only 3 A levels? I dropped econ like 2 months ago because I realized I didn't need it. Surely Warwick would have given you a low offer. It would have been at best A-star, A-star, B. And I don't want to have my insurance be A-star in further maths. That's ridiculous in my opinion. I don't know what the fuck this is. I've never heard of this in my life. Fuck me. This is an actual thing. If you do year 11 core right now, easy A star like no revision. What do you like core maths? What do you mean core? Isn't core maths like the thing for people who can't do A-level maths? Made in IB? Oh, Fez. Oh, it's the same brother. Fuck. No, I'm joking. Did you do Math Olympiads? No. I didn't get the opportunity to. Extended maths? I don't know, Jesse. I know you. I will tell you, right? Unless it's going to help you get into university, it doesn't matter. Getting into a sixth form at this point, it's its own thing. You've already got your... Repost my... I'm not reposting shit. What do you want to go into? Mathematician. I have an Oxford offer for maths. Okay. You don't need to do extra extended shit. There's no point. Just fucking do A-level... Okay. Do A-level maths and further maths if you want to be really, really proficient in maths. That's it. Don't do some bullshit. Don't do some extended fucking whatever. You don't need it. Maybe AEA. AEA, if you're doing A-level maths and not further maths, and you want to show that you're better than average at maths without doing an extra A-level, then yeah. But you don't need to do extended maths. It's not going to help you. I don't know that. Wait, would you do it now? Extended maths? Would you do that now? Is that a year 11 thing? And can you still sign up for it? Maybe that could help you. I don't know. But again, if your maths grade is really weak, then you can just achieve A star in maths in year 12. And do A-level maths in year 12. That's what I would recommend. Obviously, our school does not do that. But I'm pretty sure you're going to a different sixth form, right? Yeah. Anyways. Oh, fuck. I'm loosening my mic instead of tightening it. Come back to me. Oh, my voice is terrible. Fuck. Okay. I've never heard of this shit in my fucking life. I genuinely have never seen this in my life. Oh, wait, I'm stupid. No, I have seen this. Oh, wait, no, I'm stupid. Ignore me, please. Apologies, I've definitely seen this. Okay, if I was given this, I would be chill. Okay, that's what it is. Adjacency matrix. Okay, that is the word that we use for that. Holy spelling. 70 quid. Oh, definitely. It's an insane deal. My nan got really lucky with it. UCL maths with econ or Oxford E&M? Oxford anything, bro. I think Oxford history and ancient anthropology is better than UCL mathematics or economics. Oxford gaps in every way for everything. Like, it's the university over the course. And the amount of opportunities that you get at Oxford versus at UCL was insane. What on earth am I looking at? Some bullshit. Why do I have so much stuff open? Ooh, Osu. Okay. Oh, God. So, I'm going to have one Brazy Chrome tab open. And I'm going to get... They're going to catch me. I hope they don't do that. Star topology. Okay, this can go. STEM up can go. Okay, nothing's Brazy. Download history! Oi! No, I'm joking. There's nothing bad there. There's nothing bad there. Guys on YouTube can just see everything like in full detail too. Let's not open that interview questions folder. Thank you. Cool. I do remember that, Umair. It was fun. I do remember that. Exactly. Thoughts on past papers for CS? Yeah, do them. But I just forgot all the content, so I'm going over all the content. Okay. What is the difference between static and dynamic linkers? Static linkers implement the library code into the other thing, the mad thing, sad thing. Okay. Static linkers implement the library code into the final executable file, increasing the file size. Dynamic linkers implement links to the addresses of the library code that can be updated in the future. Pretty much. Function of a gateway. What the fuck is that? Have you posted your Anki files? These are not mine. These are all from the internet. Just go on Google and search OCR Computer Science Anki. It will show up. Just be specific, like OCR, Computer Science, A-level, Anki, flashcards, gone wrong, in the hood, gone sexual, etc. You know what I'm saying? The fuck is a gateway? That's what I'm saying, bro. Genuinely? Yo, I also forgot what adjacency matrix was like, absolutely. There's this BS too, bro. Comp-sci is actually so BS. I genuinely have not touched this subject, like, all week. But I realize Anki's pretty chill. Click it. It doesn't say, wait. Oh, wait, I clicked the answer. Fuck, wait, I'm stupid. Connect two networks and translate protocols. What the fuck is that? Somebody said change the protocol. You're a fucking dork. You're a dork. I want you to know that. You're a nerd. Oh, I'm gonna get banned. No! What I said was true, by the way. If I go down for saying that, I'm standing on it. Change the protocol. These fucking guys who revise for comp-sci. On my mama. Rest in peace. No, I'm joking. We'll see. Hopefully not. HA is so much harder? Yeah, but the NEA is harder for us, I think. Yeah, honestly, it didn't show up straight away. It's not there. Easy. Adjacency matrix. It's easy to add or remove nodes. Oh, it's just easy to add. Room tour? It's a little bit messy right now. I'm not going to lie. It's not that bad, actually. Go on. We'll do a cheeky one. We'll do a cheeky room tour for the fans. Hold up. There is mess in the room. Okay, I'll tell you that much. Okay, what do we have? Okay, fuck, no, this is hooked. Okay, yo, I don't even know if I can be heard right now. That's my room there, down with the bed and all that shit. Wow, there's my computer. Wow, that's so tough. And then we got the desk, and we got that thing there, and we got the box of stuff I own, the boxes. And then we got me. We got some posters. We got a giant thing of bubble wrap. These angles are probably horrible. We got posters and the shit. Tough. Oh, and a desk. Is that a Rick and Morty poster? Yes. What'd you get in NEA? 63. W My Hero Academia? Yeah, I know, right? I've only watched up to season 4. And also I'll show my desk while I'm here. We got this main monitor. We got this one here with the tickers and the OBS. This one here with Spotify. And that. So it's 3 monitors. Yeah, a little bit of bullshit. Cool. You missed out the rest of the peak. I'll watch them eventually. Who finished the EPQ? Who did an EPQ, bro? Can you solve a Rubik's Cube? No, but I do own a 4x4 Rubik's Cube that I don't know how to solve. Okay. Cool. Declarative programming. Okay, so an example of declarative programming is Wolfram Alpha. So the idea of declarative programming is that you basically put in what you want to get out. What are the 2 uses? For AI? Okay, AI works. What the fuck is an expert system? Come on, bro. This is some bullshit. Yeah, Adams, it is. Big up Baha. Okay, AI, I guess. Yeah, fine. RISC, reduced instruction set computer. 3 functions of an operating system. Memory management. User interface, providing it, you know. Memory management. Okay, wait. Memory management. I'm not looking at chat. Okay. Memory management. Providing a user interface. Managing accounts, like managing users. But that's really particular. Allowing for applications to be used. But that's not really a function. Fuck. Guy's not cooking. I'll be fine, bro. User interface. Oh, utility software. Okay, fairs. Cool. D-type flip-flop. It is used to normalize an input, I think. So I know how it works, right? So you've got your clock, you've got your input, you've got your output, or something like that. You got like your in and you're not in, or something like that, right? Or out and not out. So it basically makes it so that the input is only updated on the rising edge. So for inconsistent signals, it will be made consistent. What the fuck is that? Store the value of a single bit. Okay. Tuple in an array. A tuple cannot be edited during runtime. The fuck? Okay, so I'm cooked. I'm just cooked. Stores the value of 1 bit. Clock, data, input. Okay, fairs. I'm actually chopped for this, bro. It's fine. Is this all you do for CS revision? I've done past papers too. A lot of them. Okay. Okay. Computers becoming part of the workforce. Okay, decreased costs of labor. Increased scale. Like, increased scalability. What grade did you get in your mocks? I got... A. I actually have my... Okay, I'll gatekeep my number or whatever. My UPN. I think I'm supposed to do that. I don't know if I can even see it. It's the wrong way around, isn't it? Yeah, fuck. I got A in comp sci, B in econ, B in further maths, A in maths. In year 12. Sorry, no, year 13, year 13. Like, this was during my Oxford interview season, though. Basic type in answer? No. I haven't tried it. I don't know Anki like that. We are dominating domain and rage on Wednesday, yeah. Hey, Oscar. Again, I think 4 Ys is too much. Hobo, your year 12 mocks? No, I meant my year 13 ones. Being further maths is risky. I didn't revise for further maths. I didn't revise for anything, actually, for those mocks. It was during my Oxford interview season. So I was doing Oxford interview questions, you know? Like, different stuff. And I was also, like, not focused on my exams at all. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, it was not on my mind. It was fully interview focused. Oxford offer A-star maths, A-star further maths, A in comp sci. A in comp sci. Yeah. Basically, that's it. For maths. Like you say, B in further maths is risky. Again, the grade boundaries were mental. They like to scare us in my school. They put everything as bad as possible so you get better things. How was your comp sci NEA? It was good. I got 63. Okay, so increased output, decreased labor costs, more higher productivity. Yeah, fine. Lower cost of renting, I guess. There's no way that's gonna show up. Free function of an operating system, memory management, utility software, and user interface. D-type flip-flop, it stores the value of a single bit. Difference between a tuple and an array. A tuple is initialized, created, made, initialized, whatever, constructed. A tuple is initialized using regular brackets and arrays using square brackets. Let me just check. Okay, you can't add or remove objects. Okay. Fucking hell. So I was right. Bastard. Okay, yeah. An array can be edited during runtime. Okay, immutable. Immutable, I remember that. Immutable, that's in my head now. Sounds like econ. I kind of get what you're saying. I mean, most things are really econ based, right? Especially in computer science. It's about decreasing the cost. What type of projects are spiral programming methodologies? High risk projects? Yeah, risk intensive. They love to talk about risk with spiral programming methodology. Oh shit. Cool. Two use of declarative programming. Expert software and AI. Wait, what the fuck is expert software? Expert systems. It's AI. Okay. So it's AI or AI. Great. Favorite field of maths generally? I think mechanics at a really high level is really cool. Fuck is that supposed? Whoa, what's gravitational supposed to mean? Whoa, buddy. What? That felt a little bit targeted. Are you saying I'm a center of gravity or something? Love, man. Oh fuck. Okay, RLE dictionary. I would have got that. Clock speed. It's the number of times that the clock increments, or the number of FDE cycles per second. Static and dynamic linkers. Static linkers add the code from the library into the executable file, increasing the file size, whereas a dynamic linker implements into the executable file the addresses of the code in the library, so updates can be added. Fine. DQ. It takes the information from the front of the queue, as queues are FIFO, first in, first out. Quant after Oxford. Bro, you don't need to send it 50 times, bro. Chill out. AQL OCR. I'm doing OCR, but some of this is a bit questionable for OCR. Lagrangian Mex is cool, yeah. Is your demand curve inelastic? But, yeah, pretty much. Whoa. What is that supposed to mean? Yo, wait, hold up, because I was thinking about, like, what do I want? Let's chill out there, buddy. Currently, I'm pretty inelastic right now, okay? Chill out. AQACS, I have no fucking clue about it. Quant after Oxford. This isn't AQA. Maybe. We'll see. Probably not. I want to be a lecturer. But I'm going to do a bunch of work experience and stuff and see if I enjoy it. Maybe I touch £1 million a year and I'm like, yo, maybe I'm built for this life. And then I just like become fucking evil. Ooh, you man ain't ready for the arc. Okay, Operation DQ. DQ. Okay, it just takes the piece of data from the front of the queue and what's it called? Returns it, and then increases the front pointer. Yeah, fine. RLE, run length encoding, is where repeated data is replaced with like a number and then the data. So instead of having 8 black pixels, you would have 8B. Fine. I'm LARPing computer science, bro. I've never done computer science in my life. Protocols are a set of rules for the transfer of data between two devices on a network. Fine. Device driver, it allows the software to interact with the hardware. Enable the OS to interact with... Okay, cool. Individual who can be identified with personal data. Oh, fuck me. There's a word for this. It's like a stats thing, no? A sample? A specimen? Data subject. Okay. Never heard of that. Logical shift left by one place. Multiplication by 2. Fine. Is empty. It says if the list is empty or not. 4 things is a header of a data packet contain. Is it saying the layers? What? Application, internet. Application, internet. Some bullshit. I don't know. What's it called? What is it even asking for? Oh, no. Okay. Time to live limit? Oh, that was a thing. Okay, source and destination IP address, protocols, order of the packets. Okay, time to limit. We'll see. D-type flip-flop to store the value of a single bit. Device driver allows the OS to communicate with the hardware. Banks, OCR, optical character recognition, MICR. OCR would work there. Open source code. It can be viewed by the end user. It's free to use. And there is not usually support for it. That's not really a feature. That's kind of an anti-feature. Is CS worth to do at A level? You don't need to. Like, I would recommend doing other A levels, to be fair. There is nothing that gets unlocked by doing CS. It's just a filler subject. That's the only reason you would do it. Do further maths before you do CS. Do physics before you do CS. Because there are things that you can do with further maths, or there are things that you can do with physics that you can't do without physics. There are not things that you can do with CS that you can't do without CS. If you wanted to do CS at uni without doing CS at A level, you could do that. If you want to do engineering without doing physics, you pretty much can't. Everybody's physics on stream. I don't even do physics A level. How many papers is A level comp sci? 2 plus an NEA. What spec is this? OCR. Okay. Code can be read by end users. That sounds mental, I'm not gonna lie. Yo, I am doing this on my table, okay? Nothing. Check messages. Ooh. Ooh, check messages.
Everything is just about.
Adam, you're so pretty and attractive. Thank you so much. Thank you. No, I'm BSing. What happened to the blonde hair? Wait, is it the same guy? Did you send me a message? Check message on what, Sawyer? Sorry, no, that was from my mate. Asexuals get turned on by... Yeah, mate. My girl's an asexual. Why do you think she loves me? Because I only get A's. I'm BSing. I am forever single. Sadly. If I don't do A level... What the fuck is that? Holy! What the fuck? Thank you. What the fuck? Thank you for the ukulele player. That's 350. Holy greed. Thank you very much. I appreciate that, Jacob. Thanks, bro. What the fuck? That threw me. Sorry, I wasn't expecting that. Yes. Sorry, I'm not trying to. I'm looking tired. Thank you for the gift, bro. I appreciate it very much. Thank you. W's in the chat and that. Damn. I gotta react more, man. I'm a terrible person. This individual just spent 350 for me to be like, yeah. Like, I'm sorry. Thank you very much. Are you doing push-pull legs for gym? Do I look like I'm going gym? I have been walking and cycling more. Okay, let's read chat. Thinking of doing maths, finance, physics, chem, economics, but thinking about dropping econ. Thoughts? Yeah, sorry, absolutely. No point of doing econ. If you wanted to do econ at uni, you don't even need econ. You can just do it with maths, further maths. You'll be fine. Drop econ. It's not worth the time. What A levels CS you do? What? I'm doing A level computer science. I'm doing A level maths, A level further maths right now. Eli. I also have an Oxford offer for maths. If you're, I feel like something. I know I bring it up all the time. If somebody asks me a question about, like, what's it called? If somebody asks me a question about like qualifications and stuff, I will always bring up my Oxford offer because it's relevant. Is maths, physics, biology, chemistry a good combo? Yes, definitely. For natural sciences or something along those lines, absolutely. Now, would I pick up further maths? Yes. But you don't have to. Crazy that we all have to do A-level literature at some point. No, we don't. How'd you get an offer from Oxford? The fuck is that supposed to mean? I don't know, bro. I just like maths. I'm good in interviews. I did decent in the MAT. I went to everything. I signed up for everything. I went to everything. I wrote a good personal statement. Supercurricular, I went to Cambridge Summer School. for like 4 days. Maths from the Underground, that's great. What else? Maths from the Underground, Cambridge and that. I went to UCL for a lecture. I went to Queen Mary guest lecture, all of that stuff. Yeah. Okay. Does not require a license. Distributed with source code, okay. Can be modified and sold. Okay. Data set? No, fuck. Data point? Data information? Data person? Data science? Fuck. Data subject? Yes. Write your personal statement. Did you say you did the uni's program? No, actually, I'll tell you what, right? I did it first in one of my initial drafts. I wrote about when I went to the Queen Mary Futures program, and the sixth form head of my school, I was going over it with her, and she said, "Yo, Adam, don't name drop Queen Mary. It looks kind of bummy." Yeah, maths further maths is way more important, definitely. But I mentioned the Cambridge one. The Cambridge one I did. Congrats, I'm year 12, hoping to take a gap year before going to uni to earn some funds and CS. Nice. CS and IT, I would definitely recommend doing maths. When do you start drafting it? Early September. Like, yeah, late August / early September. Is year 12 mocks more important than year 13 mocks? Yeah, year 13 mocks don't matter. Year 13 grades always matter more. That's kind of late, yeah. To be fair, I went to the Cambridge residential, and everybody else who was there, it felt, because I wasn't used to being around people who actually care. They were all so locked in. They were like, "Oh yeah, I started preparing for the mat in January," and I heard somebody say that. I was like, "What the fuck? Yo, this is my competition. I'm not getting in for shit." But it worked out. And they were talking about personal statement and stuff, and I was like, "Oh yeah, I'll get onto that. That's a shout." What exam board? EdXL for maths and further maths. How'd you do in year 12 mocks? I got A in maths, A in econ, B in comp sci, and a D in further maths because they gave us full A-level further maths papers. I am very much on my way to getting an A-star in the real exams. 2 weeks, yeah, fairs. I mean, I prepped for like 3 and I got 5.4, so levels, bro. Did you take tomorrow? Yes. Okay. 4 things. Okay. Destination and source IP address. The time to live limit. Oh, that's definitely wrong. The protocols, relevant protocols, and there's one more thing. Yeah, protocols. Order of the packets. Okay. These are used for high risk, very high risk, expensive programming projects. 3 functions of an operating system. Memory management. I got an offer all the time. Top 5 sixth forms in London. Do I go and stay at my current school? It depends, A, how shit your current school is. Basically, go to what you want to. Yeah, good luck, Eli. Use Bison Maths on YouTube to learn A-level maths. He's free. Did you take tomorrow? Yes. Hardest further maths topic, conic sections 2. Oh, that's for my module. Outside of that, I don't think there's anything really that bad in Core Pure. Maybe vectors. How many maybe calculus. Econ past papers did you do before mock? Maybe complex numbers. I keep saying stuff. Zach, do what you want. My sixth form is not the best. I go there because it's very close to me. I don't do decision. I do further mech, further pure. My offer is currently I've not achieved my offer yet. A star in maths, A star in further maths, A in computer science, or it was an A in econ, but I dropped econ. How are you? I'm doing good, Kira. How you been, man? How did your NEA end up going? Use Bison for further maths? Yes. Oh, I did to learn it. Lock in. We're reading chats. Yeah, Zach, it's up to you. It depends on how far it is. But if you think you'd do better in a locked-in environment, then go to a good sixth form. Definitely. If you have the option. Okay. Memory management. What's the other one? You got an A in it. Good job. Have you got any A-backs? Yes. I got 63. Uni, I'm going to do maths at uni. I have an Oxford mathematics offer. You go BMA? No, I do not. Memory management is one of them. User interface, utility softwares. Which college did you pick? I picked Worcester, but I got into University College, UNIV. Do you know my brother? Apparently he became famous for his A-level maths last year. There are many people who went famous. No, I don't know your brother. I have... If you told me his name, maybe I'd recognize it, but I don't know your brother. Oh, fairs, Kira. University College is the original college. Some say it's not, they're lying. Of Oxford. It's like the OG one, but all colleges are still rated. Like, you're not going to go to a job interview and they're going to be like, oh, you went to UNIV and not Jesus College? They won't care, it's all Oxford. What app is that? I'm using Anki. It's free to use on PC and it costs money on mobile. It's horror. I've done all the further mech papers, Sartaj. RASK Maps. Oh, I do know him, yeah. Oh, fairs. I did think, are you like his alt account or something? Because your name looked familiar. Fair enough. Yeah, I do know him. I know of him. I think I've interacted with him. Maybe. He doesn't follow me back. Tell him to follow me, please. I want that follow back. Yeah. Did you make those yourself? No, they're available online. Is this OCR? Yes. What job do you want to get? Mathematician / lecturer. Next exam, Wednesday, A-level maths. Then Friday, A-level further mechanics. Okay, cool. Easy. 3 features. Okay. Source code is available to the end user. Can be freely distributed and resold. Can be... Okay. Source code is available to the end user. Can be resold. And... Fuck. Does not require a license. Okay. Yeah, defo. I want to go to Baylol, but... Fuck, Baylol. Yeah, fairs. Yeah, I mean, most Oxford colleges guarantee housing. How do I access these flashcards? Just go on Google and search Anki OCR A-level computer science flashcards. Possible to go to MIT from the UK? Yes. Is this your first day arriving CS? Yes, recently, yes, definitely. Okay. Fuck. Destination and source IP addresses. Wait. Destination, yeah, fine. The life limit time, I guess. The order of the packets. And the protocols used. Fairs. They're not scam. It's just go... Look, literally, look. There you go. Literally just the first one that shows up. Anki A-level computer science OCR. This first one. Bam. Download Anki and it works. Client-server networking. Disadvantages. Let's think. Single point of failure. Thank you for the follow. Single point of failure. And... extra cost? Yeah. Train staff required. Okay, cool. Are you in GCSE or A-level? I'm at A-level. When is CS? It's not this week, but the week after on Wednesday. And then on the 18th or the 17th. Yeah. So I'm getting ahead. I was going to give it 5 days, but I'm going to just pepper in like an hour of CS a day. Which should be enough. This is all getting trained into my brain. Procedural programming. Oh, God, wait. So procedural is where, like, it's in terms of steps, right? How do you have to paper 2? Just practice. And do small Python projects online. Okay, procedural. Fuck. Easy to write. I'm not sure. Can be applied to a range of problems. Okay, cool. Collision is where 2 pieces of data on the same physical data medium. Oh, wrong collision. Hexadecimal 45 in binary. Fuck. It would be 0100 0101. 010001. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Comp sci, I'm feeling solid. I'm a bit stressed. Do you speak out loud during your revision cards? Yes. Requirements for scholarships? Both Baha, we've spoken. I think you... Oh, for scholarships? It's dependent on the university and everything. As far as I know... I don't know, actually, for you. It's dependent on the single ones. Just look for each uni. They will say on the uni website. Interpreted code over compiled code. Easy to run. Fuck. Okay. Takes less time. Compilation time isn't needed. Prenil's friend? I know who RASK Maths is. I know Prenil also. I'm friends with Prenil on TikTok. I don't know. I know him. I've watched him. What app is this? This is Anki. Yeah. Again, Baha, I don't think... I'm going to get some kind of scholarship from Oxford. But I didn't apply Oxford for scholarships particularly. I applied because it's Oxford. Just apply Oxford and apply... I know Imperial has a great scholarship system as well. One of my friends with an Oxford offer was going to not pick Oxford because he might have got an Imperial bursary. Why not Cambridge? I just preferred Oxford when I visited it. Yeah. Okay, interpreted code. So, compiler is not necessary / compilation time is decreased. Easy to edit. Fuck, I don't even know. Platform independent. Okay, fine. Fairs. Okay, runs instantly. Useful to debugging. Okay, cool. Platform independent. That's a good point. 2 disadvantages of client-server networking. Requires a specialist team to organize the setup and expensive. 2 advantages of procedural programming. It applies to a lot of problems, and it's pretty easy to write. Collision is where a hash table has 2 pieces of data that map to the same hash. What are you doing in uni? I will be doing maths or Oxford, Sav. Oh, well, I've already said Oxford, so yeah. Do you need to know how to how well do you need to know how to code for CSA level? It's not very complex. Like, you need to code well for your project. Like, you definitely need to be able to code well for your project and just get comfortable with it. But I don't know. I think basic programming. Just go on YouTube, search Python tutorial. There's a very specific list of things that you need to know. But yeah, you need to know quite a few languages and know how to do a little bit of stuff in quite a few. So just look at the spec. See what Oxford loves Shark. Fix your Anki settings. I don't know. It's all basically default. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it, XI. Oh my god, it's XI from Osu. Wait, hold up, little. Oh my god, guys, it's XI. Just followed me. Wait. Reference. You see my videos? I saw you view my profile. I clicked on your profile just now, like on the micro view, but I can't see your videos. I don't know. I might have seen your videos. I might have looked at your profile, seen it was similar to your brother, and assumed it was him or something like that. You need to watch Death Note. I watched the Netflix adaptation, which is terrible. Okay, let's listen to Blue Zenith. Bum 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 bum. Okay, cool. 2 keys map to the same hash. Same thing. Cool. 3 advantages of using interpreted code over compiled code. Okay. It's platform independent, which means that it can run on any platform and it doesn't need to be... Okay, fine. Code does not need to be recompiled, and it's easier to interpret, or it can be interpreted. Okay, debugging, fine. Fez. Lying about body count is coercion, and coercion is grape. Grape, as in the fruit. I disagree. I disagree fully. I disagree strongly there. People don't need to tell them their whole history for you to, you know. It's a bit shady, but it's not. Dance in pure silence? Oh, yeah. I'm so sorry, Josh. I have music off on the YouTube stream because I'll get copyright strike there. Yeah, I guess. I don't know. Corpure 1 is better than Corpure computing. Yeah, 100%. Speedrunning A-level maths papers? Yes. I got an A star in an hour. I'm not the fastest at maths. I also get extra time, to be fair. Thank you for the follow. Function of the application layer. So it allows for... not protocols. Protocols for the application to be used. So it would be stuff like HTML, or Word, like .word. So it allows it to allows the packets to actually be used by an application. It basically signals which application to be used. Yeah, fine. What name is given a data subject? 3 advantages of using interpreted code over compiled code. It's platform independent, which means that it doesn't matter what it's compiled for. Like, it won't have to be compiled. It's useful for debugging, because you can actually debug interpreted code, as it's not already compiled. Like, it's human readable most likely, and interpreted code useful for debugging. Oh, it doesn't require compilation time. Is it true you got 20 marks in a maths paper? Who told you? Yeah, out of the one that was out of 25, right? Smash admissions test? Absolutely. Possible to learn all of A-level maths in the summer? I would take the summer off, personally. That's what I did, but it's up to you. Intermediate arithmetic and logic units. Oh, in the ALU. No. In the... What's that other one? The ALU, computer, arithmetic, accumulator. 3 examples of utilities. Disk defragmentation software, antivirus software, and disk defrag. Utility, yeah, okay. Antivirus, compression, disk defragmentation, encryption. That's 4, I don't care. I'm greedy with it. He misspelled virus. Have you tried learning econometrics? No. I'm going to go revise. Have a good day. Thank you. I ain't trying to come back clueless. Again, like, you'll be fine. Is ROM volatile or non-volatile? Non-volatile. What is in-order transversal? Oh, wait. What is that? Is that left, root, right? Left, root, right. Okay, cool. Bum 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 bum. Okay, it's done. You're for FM1? Yes. TS is FCES, is it? What? This is computer science. Is Anki better than Quizlet? I don't make judgments on the... I prefer Anki. I don't use Quizlet at all. But that's just because I haven't used it. The last time I used Quizlet was for for Spanish GCSE. I didn't even do Spanish GCSE. I dropped out in year 9. I didn't like Quizlet, but I prefer this. The online nature of Quizlet, I don't like it. Unless they pay me. Operation insert position value. Okay, so it basically just puts the piece of data in the position. Yeah, fine. Harvard architecture. I prefer Oxford architecture. This is where there's a separate set of memory. Okay, basically a separate set of memory for data and for instructions. Yeah, data buses as well. Circuit switching. Requirement of circuit switching is that all packets travel the same path. Oh. I didn't know that. TCP, transfer something protocol, transfer computing, transfer Caucasian I don't know. I use Anki, it's nice, yeah. What exam board? This is OCR. Do you learn them by heart or do you understand the differences? What do you mean? I can't lie, like, this is my first day doing it. I think it's just, I'm going to do like an hour and a half a day of Anki. It's kind of just memorization. Like, as long as this is in your head somewhere, you can pull it out. And I'm 1/3 of the way through chapter 4 for further mech. Nice. Oh, wait. Good luck, bro. Time to get that 2/3 done tonight and get off stream. Yeah, it's all good, George. I mean, it's just about, like, having it somewhere in your head, right? Like, I don't know, we'll see. If I repeat this for 20 days, this should be really easy. What's TCP? It's a network protocol. So you use it for, like, sending data and stuff. Transmission Control Protocol. Cool. Requirement of circuit switching. A requirement of circuit switching is that the download and upload speeds of both devices are the same. Great. To De Morgan's laws. You have the double negation law. I don't know if that counts. Is it not just De Morgan's... Oh, fuck. There's a name for it. The one where you flip the sign and negate. You know what I mean? Oh, fuck off. That doesn't count. That's not 2 laws. That's 1 law. You just flip them. Okay. That's 1 law. I don't care. 2/3 tonight? I think so, FA. Probability? Oh, Fez. Wait, Leo, do you do comp-sci? You do further maths, econ, physics, no? Because you're doing maths and econ, and your offer's AB, so you've done you got maths A star. You don't know me? Wait, what's your 3rd subject? You do further maths. What do you do? What do you actually do? I'm more used to the bar style, Boolean function style. What do you mean bar style? What does that mean again? Oh, okay, fair, Leo. Oh, okay, Fez. Cool. Yeah. I like Dash. I like Dash as well. I get what you're saying. Yeah, Fez. I like the Dash from A-level maths. Like A dash, B dash. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol. To advantage of the bus topology. To advantages? Easy to add nodes. Cheap to implement? Yeah, cheap to implement. Does not require any additional hardware. Cool. What is a tree? It's a data structure with a root node with each node having children. Yeah, connected with branches. Okay, cool. Mesh topology. 2 disadvantages. Oh god, expensive to set up. Not even, wait. Difficult to set up, I guess you would say. Like, complex to set up. Don't even know. Need to purchase devices. Okay, wireless. It doesn't have to be wireless, actually. But, you know. Maintaining is difficult. Okay, cool. I think it is. Yeah. A tree is a plant? True. What is topology? Oh, it's like the way that computers are connected together. So, star topology is where 1 computer, 2 computer all connect to the same server. And then mesh topology is where the computers connect to each other. TCP header size. Whoa, TCP header? We don't do that sort of stuff, George. I don't think that's in my spec. Thoughts on standard deviation? I don't mean to be mean. But, my opinions vary. I'm so funny. I'm clipping that shit. What year are you? I'm not in uni yet, George. I'm not in uni. I'm doing A-levels. I'm last year A-levels. I'm year 13. I have an offer to do Oxford Maths. So I still need to get my A-levels. Yeah. This is me revising. I'm not a teacher. Yeah. Thank you, George. You know you can use the keyboard to use Anki instead of the mouse. I do know that. I prefer to use the mouse. It's, okay. What the fuck is that, man? Just a whole screen worth of BS for no reason. By the way, if anybody's curious and you want to watch this back, the whole thing is on YouTube. And the stream will be available to watch on my YouTube channel at Adam Loves Maths. If you want to watch back the VOD, If you want to, you know, if I went over something and I went over too fast and you want to rewatch it, go on the YouTube. Just saying, it's there. If you actually care enough, you know. Okay. Complete the truth. Oh, for a full adder. Okay. I'm not actually completing this shit. It's what? So it'd be 0, 0. Wait, fuck. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Yeah, fine. Are you gonna continue streaming in uni? Yes. What are the two disadvantages of client-server networking? I want to say single point of failure, but it doesn't want that. It would be... Okay, firstly, single point of failure. Secondly, why is bro doing the filter? What do you mean the filter? The filler, oh. What subjects do I do? Maths, further maths, and computer science. I have an Oxford maths offer. Okay. We have to do the filler, guys, because genuinely, like, I was thinking to myself, it's like an hour and a half a day. I can spend that on a filler. It's fine. Just to get my head working in the brain space. Maths is the queen of sciences? Yes. It's basically the mother of all sciences, to be fair. Because all sciences require maths. They all come from maths, you know? You can't model something without maths. Okay, two disadvantages. So, difficult to set up. Expensive to set up. Opinions on Imperial? Overrated. I'll be honest. I had an offer from Imperial. I'll show you right now. Let's make sure not to leak my address. I did get like the Imperial care package and stuff. But I'm not an Imperial guy. Not for me. I much prefer Oxford or Warwick or something like that. Two advantages of bus topology. Cheap to set up. Doesn't require additional hardware. Apart from the backbone. A tree is a data structure which has a parent nodes with child nodes that are connected by branches. It's also known as like a stem. It's also known as having leaf nodes. I got to throw it away. Oh no, it came with like a nice little what do you call it? I did. Oh, I'll show you what I did with one of the stickers. Yeah, it's got leaves. I put one of the stickers on the front of my VR headset because it like fits in really well. I like it. But that's it. Tree is a wooden object with leaves. Yeah, I love, bro. Where are the flashcards from? Just go on Google, search Anki computer science flashcards. OCR. If you just go on Google when you search Anki and then you put in a bunch of information about your subject, it will show up, and you just download it from there for free. Or use code Zaki20 for STEM up, if you're cold like that. Oh no, I don't even get money from it. Which college did you get into? I got into University College, Univ. I didn't actually apply for it, but I did get into it. I had an alternate interview with them, alongside my main college, and my main college interviews did not go the best, but my Univ one went really well. No STEM up? Yeah. I haven't used it because I'm not really a flashcard guy, usually. And they don't even do comp sci. I would have probably asked Zaki for a free set. Nah, I'm joking. I would have brought it and, you know, all of that stuff. Should use Dola instead. Ooh, saucy. New ad coming soon, by the way. Lincoln Biochem, they didn't even... dark. Okay, yeah, easy. Collision is where, on a hash table, two pieces of data have the same position. Yeah, two keys map. Yeah, fine. Procedural programming. It applies to many different problems and it's easy to interpret. Two disadvantages of the mesh topology. Requires that devices are wireless. A, have wireless capabilities. And B, it's hard to set up. Oh, and maintain. Fine. Three functions to check that... Okay. The basic input-output system. Is this A-level, bro? Goddamn. Yeah, it's not that bad. Three functions of the BIOS. Okay, it checks if RAM is working. It checks if... it loads the operating system. And one other thing. Okay, checks if the RAM is working. So checks if hardware is working. Loads operating system. Allows for user input. Checks for memory devices. Okay. Cool. Okay. Post test. Cool. Checks the CPU clock. Really? Okay. Distribution rule. A or B. Oh no, fuck. A and B or wait, no, fuck. A and B or B and C. A or B and B. Fuck. Again. Where is RISC used? It's a reduced instruction set computer. It's using CPUs. Everyday devices. Yeah, that's real fucking helpful. Check hardware, yeah, first. Data mining is where big data is used to try and evaluate for trends. Fine. 2 requirements. Oh, okay. First normal form and no partial dependencies. Great. 2 advantages of circuit switching. It's faster. Faster and one more thing. Is CS tomorrow? No. CS is on the 10th, but I decided to get ahead of it. I wanted to just get it out of the way. I didn't want it to be last second. I don't cram. So 10 days is enough with an hour and a half-ish a day. It's faster. Yeah. What else? It means that packets won't get messed up. Logical order. Okay, logical order. Makes sense. Fine. 2, yeah, fine. Fair. 2, what the fuck is that? Okay. We're gonna hop off, chat. I actually didn't shower today. I showered yesterday, but I need to firstly have a shower. And I also need to go exercise for a bit. So I'm gonna hop off stream for now. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it very much. I hope you enjoyed watching. See ya. The fuck.